with the 2007 Ion. The Ion's designers accounted for almost everything but compromise. It's nimble yet strong, modern but inviting, sporty yet safe and sound, featuring the U.S. government's highest possible front crash test rating, 5 stars. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, auxiliary audio input, power outlet, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.